I'm Dharya Patel and I'm going to explain how to make ATM simulation using Python. So first of all, we are going to import Tinkercad from a library so that we can give GUI to our app. After that, we are going to declare a dictionary name user which will have a username and password so that we can authenticate our user. After that, we will define a dictionary which will have the name amount, which will store the amount which a particular user is having in his bank account. Next, we are going to declare a class named TinkerApp in which we are going to inherit the Tinker class that we imported so that we can give GUI to our app. In that, we are going to make a variable named shared data which will be of type dictionary, which will have balance as an integer variable and current user as a string variable, and this shared data will be transferred to all the pages that we are going to create in this app. After that, we are going to building the frames, that means individual pages that our app will hold. In our app, we are going to have home page, login page, menu page, withdraw page, balance page, and deposit page. To loop through every single page or to navigate our user from one page to another, this function def show frame will be used. Okay, now let us create home page. Home page will be displayed when our user will first enter our app. So we are going to use the label provided by the Tinkercad to print a statement welcome to ATM simulation. After that, we are going to use a button which will navigate our user to the login page. So this command is basically what does the magic of transferring our user from one page to another. This command button will allow our user to navigate, and to display our this label and button on our screen, we have to show them give them this property called grid, and also this attributes row 0 and placing it in the right place. After that, we are going to define a class login which will allow our user to log in. In login, we are going to give our user a label which will show the text login at the head of the our app. After that, we are going to use the entry that is given by our Tinkercad to get the values from the user. After that, when the user enters their value, when they click on the submit button, this function will run and check if our user is present in the dictionary that we defined above. If it is present, it will then move our user to the next page, that is the menu page, and if not, it will throw an error of incorrect credentials. After that, we will define the class menu. In this class, we are going to give our user a choice to whether withdraw from their account or to deposit in their account or to check their balance or to simply exit the app. So we will give our user this choice by the means of button. Uh, let's move on to the next. So when the user clicks the withdraw button, he or she will be transferred to this page, withdraw page, in which we will have an input entry box which will take the amount that our user want to withdraw. When this command when he will hit the enter submit button, this code the confirm function will run, and it will get the amount that the user has entered, and it will also get the amount that is currently present in the user's account, and it will subtract the amount that is withdrawn, and update the user's balance, and then it will navigate it to the main menu. After that, we are going to create the balance page. In balance page, we will simply display the current balance that the user is having. uh, Here we are going to use the label and the message function provided by the Tinker library. uh, this message will show the current balance of the user, and we will also provide them an exit button to exit from this page. Next, we will define the deposit page using class. Uh, there we will also have an entry box in which the user will enter the value that he or she wanted to deposit. Uh, when the user submit the button, hit the submit button, uh, this function will run, which will get the amount that is entered by the user, and also it will get the amount that means current balance that the user is having. It will add it into the account and update the account, and then navigate our user back to the main menu. So these are all the pages that we are going to have in our app. But to run this app, means to show this pages when we run this app, we have to make an instance of the Tinker app uh, in the app object, and we are going to call this main loop method, which will run our code. Now let us see our code in action. So here is the home page. Whenever our user comes to our app, this will be the first page that he will be dropped on. So here is the login button. So this is the login page. As you can see, this is the label and that entry box that we talked about. Here we will input our credentials. As you can see, our credentials were correct, so we were directed to the main menu page. And here you can see that we have four choices, means four button that we talked: withdraw button, deposit button, balance button, and then lastly the exit one. So let us first withdraw some sum of money. Let's say we are going to withdraw 100 rupees. So let us now check the balance. The current balance is 4,900 rupees, as we have deducted 100 rupees. So let us check again. This time we will deposit some money. Let's say we deposit 500 rupees. Let us check the balance now. As you can see, our balance has been updated. It was first 4,900. After adding 500 rupees, our current balance is 5,900, 5,400. Now let us withdraw uh, again to see if the withdraw is working or not. We have withdrawn 200 rupees. Let's check the balance. As you can see, our balance has been deducted. So this was the project, that ATM simulation. I hope you like it.